Alright guys, please let me know how is this GE microwave oven doing? Well, you tell me. I'm gonna say it's running really good, but how about you? How do you think it's doing? Need a fan? Let me turn the light on real quick. Let's see, where is the light? Gotta be here somewhere. Come on. Nope. Actually, this light may have burned out, so, otherwise... Actually, let's turn on the light on my phone. That way you can see a little bit better. Got some good airflow coming out. The fan's running. It's running so far so good. I set the power level down, all the way down, and also I turn off the turntable, so it's just the fans going. Alright? Because microwave holds a lot of energy. If you turn it on without anything in here, it can damage the magnetron and oven, all kind of various components. So I just turn the power level all the way down to off and turntable off. So it's just the fans going through. You hear that fan? That's the light right there. I'm gonna say it runs really well. How about you, guys? We need to fix those vents around here. This thing is starting to come loose. We need to tighten those screws because I don't know, it would take microwaves apart because of the radiation. I don't know it should take one apart or not. I think this one is starting to come also. I don't know if we take I don't know if we should take microwave ovens apart because of the radiation, and it's dangerous. Because microwave ovens, like if you take them apart, it's very dangerous. So just for demonstration purposes, just want you to know. Alright, I'm gonna say it runs really well. How about you? Here's the waveguide cover. Let me turn the light off quick. That's the waveguide cover right there. I don't know you can see it, but that's the waveguide cover. This is it protects the magnetron from any fluid splatters, anything like that. Here's the strip of blade for it right here. I'm gonna say it runs really good. How about you guys? Listen to that noise again. They got a very nice airflow coming from. I think we just need to clean out the turntable part, so that's good. Maybe we should do a deep clean on one of these ovens, microwave ovens. Hey, so yeah.